Hello everyone, welcome to the maths video class of Standard 5. In the last lecture, we studied practice time up to the question number B. Now we are proceeding further with question number C. Here draw what the following shapes would look like on 1/4 ton and half a ton. So let's draw this all the shapes, how they will look on giving 1/4 ton and half a ton. So children, this triangle will not look the same on 1/4 ton. If we rotate it on 90 degree, it will look like this, and it will not look the same on half a ton also. If we rotate it on 180 degree, it will look like this. Then B square. Square will look the same on 1/4 ton and half a ton both. Then rectangle. Rectangle will not look the same on 1/4 ton. If we rotate it on 90 degree, it will look like this, and it will look the same on half a ton. Then hexagon. Hexagon will not look the same on 1/4 ton, because if we give 1/4 ton to this hexagon, it will this portion will come this side, this pointed portion. So it will not look the same on 1/4 ton, but it will look the same on half a ton, because if we rotate this hexagon from here to here, top part will go bottom and bottom part will go up. So it will look the same on half a ton. Children, below this picture, two questions are given. First one, which of the above shapes do not look the same on 1/4 ton? So children, can you give the answer of this question? Which shapes do not look the same on 1/4 ton? See here, shape A, then shape C, this shape D. So shape A, shape C and shape D do not look the same on 1/4 ton. Now which shape do not look the same on half a ton? So look, children, look here. Which shape do not look the same? This shape A, because here it looks different. So shape A, and then other all the shapes are same, means they look the same. So only shape A does not look the same on half a ton. So for this answer we can write here shape A, then C and D. So shape A, C and D do not look the same on 1/4 ton. And here only shape A does not look the same on half a ton. Now question is, which fan will look the same on a 1/3 ton? So children, we have learned about 1/4 ton and half a ton, but now here is 1/3 ton. Children, let us understand what is 1/3 ton. We have already learned 1/4 ton. 1/4 ton means rotating any shape through a 90 degree. That means rotating from here to here. That means this is starting point, this is ending point, from here to here. Suppose there is a clock, we can say that from rotating 12 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9 and 9 to 12. This is 1/4 ton. And what is half a ton? Half a ton means rotating through 180 degree. Suppose there is a clock, so rotating from 12 to 6, this is 6, is half a ton, and from 6 to 12 it is also half a ton. Now this is 1/3 ton. 1/3 ton means rotating any shape through 120 degree. As for example, here is a clock So rotating from 12 to 4, it will be 1/3 turn. And from 4 to 8, also 1/3 turn. 8 to 12 also 1/3 turn. And now what is 1/6 turn? How to rotate through 1/6 turn? 1/6 turn means rotating any figure or shape 60 degree. Suppose this is a clock. So moving from 12 to 2, that means rotating through 12 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, and 8 to 10, 10 to 12. So rotating from here to here, it is called 1/6 turn. Here to here 1/6 turn. That means 2 1/6 turn is equal to 1 1/3 turn, because 1/3 turn rotating is rotating from 12 to 4. That means here to here. That means 2 1/6 is equal to 1 1/3. So figure will remain same on both the turn, 1/3 turn and 1/6 turn. So children, now you can answer this question: which fan will look the same on a 1/3 turn, fan A or fan B? Yes, the answer is fan A, because here if we rotate this fan from here to here, it will look the same, means same color will come here. But if we rotate this fan, this green blade take place of purple blade, and purple blade will take place of green blade. So it will not look same on a 1/3 turn. This pen will look same on a 1/3 turn. Now draw this shape after 1/3 turn. Children, first tell me, will it look the same after 1/3 turn or not? Yes, it will look the same after 1/3 turn. So you have to draw the same shape here. Now let's move on to the next page. Here 1/6 turn. As I have explained you, here figure is given and that how to rotate any shape through 1/6 turn. Here to here, here to here, like that we can rotate any shape through 1/6 turn. Okay, now here practice time is given. Question 1. Look at the following shapes. Draw how they will look on 1/3 and 1/6 turn. So here we have to draw how the shape will look on 1/3 turn, and here we have to write how the shape will look on 1/6 turn. Children, do you know that the figure which looks the same on 1/6 turn will also look the same on 1/3 turn, because 2 1/6 turn is equal to 1/3 turn, because it is 2 1/6 turn. Okay, so now let's do this. So children, here is the answer. Given shapes are shown in the table after 1/3 and 1/6 turn. So this figure also remain same after 1/3 turn and after 1/6 turn. This shape also will look the same on 1/3 turn and 1/6 turn. This also, star also will look the same on 1/3 turn and 1/6 turn. And this shape will also look the same after 1/3 turn and 1/6 turn. Here children, figure which look the same on 1/6 turn will also look the same on 1/3 turn. Here also it will look the same, because it is the same as 2 1/6 turn, means 2 1/6 turn is equal to 1/3 turn. So children, let's move on to the next page. Here question number 2 is, look at the following shapes. These all shapes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 shapes are there. So look at this, all the shape. Now we find out which of these figures look the same on 1/3 turn. Mark them with this sign, correct sign. Then B, which are the ones that will not look the same after 1/3 turn? Mark them with cross, that means wrong sign. So let us see. Here first one, does it look the same on 1/3 turn? No. This shape does not look the same on one-third turn because here these three colors are given, so color will be changed when rotating through one-third turn. So no. So here we will put cross sign. This figure does not look the same on one-third turn. This will also not look the same on one-third turn. And this shape looks the same on one-third turn because here all the sides are same. This shape also looks the same on one-third turn. This shape also looks the same on one-third turn, and this also looks the same on one-third turn. Now proceeding further, question number C. Try and change the shapes below in such a way that they look the same on one-third turn. So we have to make some changes in this all the shapes so that they look the same on one-third turn. So how can we do this? For first one we have to delete the blue dot from this shape number 1, and here we have to fill all the dots of shape 2 with the same color, and in this third shape we have to fill same color in all the blades, all the blades, either blue or orange. Then shape number 4, here we have to keep size of all 6 small triangles the same. So here we have to keep this yellow dot here in center. So let's do. So children, here you have to delete the blue dot which was here. I have deleted here. So you delete and draw again and color this shape in your notebook. And here you have to fill either with blue this all the dots, or with pink this all the dots, or with green color all the dots, so that they look the same on one-third turn. That means the shape will look the same on one-third turn. Then here you have to fill same color in all the blades. So either you can color all the blades with blue color, or you can fill all the blades with orange color. And here you have to make the size of this small triangle equal to this all the triangles. So you have to increase the size of this small triangle. And here you have to keep the yellow dot in center. Before it was here, now you have to keep the yellow dot in the center. Draw some shapes which will look the same after one-third turn. And question number 4, draw some shapes which will look the same after 1/6 turn. So children, here is the answer of the question number 3. Here are the shapes which will look the same after 1/3 turn. Children, if you like, you can draw on your own other shapes also. And here is the answer of question number 4. Here are the shapes which will look the same after 1/6 turn. Here also, if you like, you can draw other shapes on your own. Here we are ending this chapter. In the next session we will start new chapter number 6. Be my multiple, I will be your factor. Children, till date you have to complete up to chapter number 5 in your maths fair notebook. Thank you.